Don't try that at home.
Hey guys, so something a little bit different today. I have brought you along to my chiro as we are in week 2 of my shockwave to my finger. The week 1 has yielded such great results already that I feel like maybe it's time to start documenting this, because bone spurs can be quite common and they will be quite common in climbing. So if this is effective, then it's going to help a lot of people who feel like me, just lost that there's no treatment for bone spurs. And like I've been told, you know, just stop climbing and whatnot, but there's always a way. Surely you can cut through the joint if you want to and try shave down the spur, but it's likely to just grow back, to be honest, because the spur grows when your finger feels like it's being attacked. So if you cut through the joint, then of course it's going to feel like it's being attacked. So Shockwave is been really effective in dissolving heel spurs. So me and my chiro are having a great crack at doing the finger spur. So I've been seeing Andrew, the physio here at Chiropractic Hub, now for about 8 weeks, and for a performance perspective, and I was, like many other people, quite anti-chiro before that, but I had seen him have really great results with Tennille and a couple of other people that I knew. They help out a lot of like major CrossFitters, and just from a performance perspective, and he reached out and said, hey, well, just like give me a shot, maybe I can enhance some of your performance. And yeah, 8 weeks in and like just feeling amazing. My posture has improved. You guys would probably know that I had a bit of a kyphotic curve, but I was actually lordotic as well, had a bit of scoliosis, some subluxes, a few things going on which were affecting my performance, and obviously that's going to take some time to fix. Right now I'm feeling freaking good, and that is all down to Andrew here. Going to keep this up for a little bit more for the competition season, and let's see where this treatment, the shockwave, goes. So I just want people to have like a little bit of a look about maybe what happens in a chiropractic room. Sorry, it's a bit left field, but I've been asked a lot, so let's do it. Here it is, the shockwave machine, which is going to save me. Miss. Are we in? Pretty much in. This is Andrew, guys. It's like you're like Tom, you flex as soon as the camera's on. Alright, we're just going to pretend you're not there. It's a flexing opportunity.
Boys like to see what their muscles look like. We go, ooh.
And then they're disappointed after.
Well, we can't all be as ripped as you. Lift this up for me. Good. Try this one. Okay, bend this leg, hold strong. Okay, we need to fix that. From there.
I did too many glute thrusts.
No such thing. Hop on this side.
I'm trying to get my bubble butt.
Just do squats then.
No, I hate them.
I'll say the lie, but you can't replace a squat.
That's true.
Good. Hop on this side.
Yeah, so the pain's like completely gone. No pain. Climbed well, like on the weekend, like really well. Like did everything.
Are you like
godlike?
Got that. Oh, nice. On your tummy. That was good.
And now Tom's got a really bad finger injury.
Of course he does. He just wants to try it. Bend this. Hold strong. Whee! That's better. Lift this up. Much nicer. Okay, hands up here and here for me. Hold strong. Okay, relax. Drop those down. Bring both hands here. Elbows up. Hold strong. Not so flattering. Try again. Hands up.
Oh, it cracks me.
Hold. Much better. Okay, relax. Where was the cracks in your shoulders?
I don't know.
I think it was, yeah. there. Good. So what did Tom do to his finger?
Oh, I think it's like a one pulley. I don't know, he can't remember an incident, but it's very fat. Just the normal climbing things. Overextend your pulley.
Climbing fingers is something else. That's
Well, he's a heavy dude. And he's holding onto some very small holds. That's bound to happen.
You ready for Adelaide?
Yeah, I feel good. If I continue to feel like this next weekend, and that's like without a taper, then I feel like...
And the sky's the limit. Then Anna's back.
Why do I always come into pool like at the end of the season?
Well, you might have to work on when your when your peak is. That's a good spot today.
How do you tell where I'm sore? So is that something you're seeing?
Everybody asks me that, and the truth is, I don't actually know. I just follow my intuition and go, that's going to be bad.
Okay. Because everywhere you always hit is like real bad.
Well, I'm not here to put shoes on centipedes, so, If I'm poking the stuff that isn't sore, then I'm poking the wrong spot.
Yeah.
But like when it comes to your spine, like with you laying there, I can see there's a little bit of a raise here, for example,
Yeah.
that we'll have to work on when you're on your back. Okay, let's get you on your back.
And that was Terry's? Terry's?
Tara's an infra, which are always pretty spicy.
Yeah,
On a
nice.
climber. Breathe in and down. It's almost like you drop, like you put all of your body weight on like an arm. Breathe in and down. Nice, that was good. Let's check shoulder extension today. Okay.
That's bad.
Breathe in and out. So this is diaphragm spasm. Breathe out. And in and out. And your diaphragm wraps around your thoracic spine.
God, it just...
Feel the difference with that now.
Okay.
And so when it's tight, that like shoulder extension is limited because your thoracic spine can't open up. And this is a little bit tight, but not as bad as the other. Breathe out. And in. And out. And give a little cough there. Good. That's better. But you feel that like tension come off your shoulders, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Good. Don't try that at home.
Don't try any of this at home.
Yeah, try it after a 5-year university degree. There we go. And some ankles.
It's the worst one out of the way.
Good. Good. Okay. Hop up down the end for turning. That's better. A little bit stuck still coming that way on that top rib. Turning. That's better. Not too bad today, but not perfect. Relax. Good. Good. Okay. Favorite.
Oh, why does it hurt so much?
It could be something to do with what you do with your hands every day. There we go. Okay. Alright, spin around. It's time to get the machine out. Okay. I wonder if we might do the back of the knuckle as well today. Just because I want to make sure that like extension isn't limited as well.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
I've been...
Alright, we're going up one today. That was 2,000 pulses, the second lowest level.
Wave machine.
So Shockwave Therapy was originally invented for like breaking down kidney stones from the outside, right? So they put the wand over the kidney and the pulses would break up the calcium in the kidney stone. So essentially what happens is in this head there's like a little, it looks like a silver bullet, and it slides back and forward under like compressed air and impacts the transducer head, which emits an acoustic pulse. And that acoustic pulse elicits microtrauma in the tissue, which might not sound like a good thing, but the idea of microtrauma is to stimulate a healing response from the body. So we are actually trying to inflame it basically to get the body to direct its healing properly.
Yeah.
And so when they started using it on kidney stones, they started to notice the muscle tissue around the kidney stone was like healing really nicely, and so they thought, oh, like we'll investigate that for musculoskeletal stuff, and then it is very popular with plantar fasciitis,
heel spurs.
Heel spurs,
So
all that
the
kind of
research I
stuff.
found is like super effective on heel spurs.
Yeah, so those pulses just blast the calcium deposits.
Yeah, and that's what that is. That's the calcium deposit.
Yeah. And then like any climbers that have like tennis golfer's elbow or tennis elbow, but like mostly you're going to get the golfer's elbow for like, you know, gripping on the rock, especially in like pronation. Yeah. And like bicipital tendonitis is another common one.
Yes. That's what Tom has.
Yeah, it just helps like stimulate a healing response, because inflammation is not bad. We want inflammation in our body because it actually heals stuff. So we get this common misconception, because people take anti-inflammatories and they seem to fix the pain, that inflammation is bad. Chronic inflammation is a problem because it's inflaming without healing. Yeah. What we want to actually do is stimulate inflammation and promote healing, and that's what the Shockwave does.
Yeah. Excellent. See, now it's starting to feel a bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's gone red.
And it's puffed up a little bit.
Which is blood trying to get there?
Yeah, so essentially some of the research indicates that in areas that have had Shockwave, they develop more capillaries, which brings blood, which brings healing and inflammation.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So watch this space, guys.
Watch this space, round 2. Alright. So as you will see, basically what a chiro does is restore your normal range of motion. I train Tuesday to Sunday. Monday's my rest day. I go in there on Monday and basically have all of my normal bodily function restored to normal, pre-broken Anna. So that's why the chiro is really working for me. As you can say, when I go in, some things are weak, not working properly, some range of motion isn't there, and he can just go around and identify that and get all of my sore spots and my weak spots based on the activities that I do and fix them so that I can go back on my merry way to destroying myself for the rest of the week. So let's just talk about it, guys. What are your experiences with chiro? Do you have a chiro? Have you seen a chiro? based on my own personal experience, it's really, really working for me, I can tell you that. And if you are in Perth and you want to hit up Andrew from Chiropractic Hub, I'll link the website there. He's a very busy man because he's very popular. If you want to see more of this, if you want to follow the journey of my finger, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and see you soon.